If you're enjoying the videos, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks!
All right, it's October 26th, and Trey is transforming this little dirt patch, and he's gonna make it into a little garden oasis for my mom. And right now he is leveling the ground so that we can put up the raised beds, which is what all of this stuff over here is for. So this is a before of what it looked like. Palm tree and then just barren, and we hoping to do a little arch with some lattice work and vines, and then 2 raised beds with greenery along the back of the fence. So we'll see how it goes.
Here's Callan bringing the tractor in through the neighbors, because we've got a double gate on the neighbor's side. We can't fit it through our little pedestrian gate, so we're going to use the tractor to level the ground to make the vegetable garden. So this is the side gate here that we can use. And then there's the tractor parked in the backyard now, so now we can use it.
I'm going in.
Okay, it's October 27th, and I'm gonna start filming, but I should have started before Trey got all of this done. We have decided to do a veggie garden like Lauren and Trey's in DC, and Trey kindly offered to build the beds, and he went to Home Depot and picked up all the timber and the tools, and he got started yesterday. Got the dirt, so they've got to level the ground and make it happen. So watch this space, because I am not a gardener, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try learn something new.
Okay, so Trey's about to put the finishing touches on the veggie garden beds, the raised beds. What are you about to put on there, bud?
Boiled linseed oil. It's just a natural finish, and it's not no chemicals in it, so it won't affect the plants. Right?
Ah, okay. And then Joe from next door very kindly gave us all this mulch, and he said we can get a lot more if we need it. You can see we're bulking up the bottom with mesquite branches and stuff. We're about to go and get all the old hay. We're going to bulk up the bottom, and then we're going to get some topsoil in and mix a bit of our mulch that we made with the manure. It's about 2 years old now. It's just turned into beautiful stuff. So that's the plan for now. We'll catch you guys later.
I'm getting YouTube footage. Oh! Yay! Nice job! Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo!
So it's dark. Trey's been at it most of the day today. You did how many loads with the tractor, bud?
10 loads of manure. 10.
About 10 loads.
10 loads of manure.
10 loads of that manure that's turned into beautiful, beautiful soil that we were using to spread on the pasture. They're using it in these veggie beds, the raised beds. So that's Trey grafting in the dark, putting the final touches on the irrigation. He's using that bright light there. So there's irrigation to that bed. Then they're going to put trellises here and grow pumpkins and squash and stuff up this fence. So it's coming on really nicely.
I'm not sure what number day this is, but this is Tuesday afternoon. Lauren and I went and got some veggies from the local store. There wasn't that much choice. And Lauren and I are going to start spreading some mulch. I don't think we're going to close this off yet until he's happy. So here's all the sprinkler and he's doing the drip irrigation into the beds there. Very, very fancy. Ooh, we're going to capture this moment. It's flippin' freezing and Trey doesn't have a jacket on, but we do. You did it?
Did it.
Are you happy? Look at you. That's impressive.
Good engineering.
Yes, I'd say. And it goes all the way down here. And then it goes to the first bed. Ping, and then this is going to be for pumpkins, like, what you call pumpkins? And then the second bed, like butternuts. Oh, squash, against the fence here. And the first bed and the second bed, and the irrigation runs all the way back. And it's flipping freezing, and it's like 8 o'clock at night, and they haven't eaten, and it's very impressive. Well done, Trey. Trey just ran his test. Hey, Brody! And it's working. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. It's all working. Yay! Sweet! It's a lot of work. Today is Thursday afternoon, and Trey has been working hard. I helped a little, putting down the mulch here, but Trey did the most part of it. Put mulch at the back. He's just planted all of these flowers here in the flower box, which looks beautiful. Are you happy with your handiwork?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
It looks very nice.
Turned out nice.
It turned out very nice. And then we've got plants growing at the back here as well. And he even painted the irrigation pipes. Very nice. Great job.
I like the way she said that. Just keep working.
This is Granny and Granda helping me put up the fence to keep the sheep out. And kind of the dogs too.
This is a working house.
So the veggie garden fence is going up. That's how accidents happen, bro. And mainly for the bloody sheep. But I think they also want to make it look pretty.
Yes. Pretty.
So
28.
there's this tape measures going on here, a string, a plumb line, or whatever you call it. Make this fence straight. Trey and Lauren just did an amazing job. There's the carrots for the horses. Growing carrots for the horses.
And then whatever.
There's some fully grown ones, the growing ones there, and then we put seed in there as well.
35, but I think we should go halfway between.
I think Lexi wants some of Lindsay's wagon wheel. So that's the progress with the fence so far. What have you guys decided?
We haven't decided on the gate yet.
I'm hoping we can just fashion this somehow instead of using this big thing. This is too big, I think.
Yeah. That's not bad. What you can do is use one of those hog panels that we've cut. That'll be easier. And you can just put a hook on that shed, on the shed. Want me to get you a little one?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Lauren and Trey, this is like the final version. Look how amazing our fence is. You can hardly see it, which is kind of great because it's the black, like coated wire. And then we haven't finished the gate at the end, but we're working on that. We got tired. But it looks so good, doesn't it? Great job, thanks guys.
Okay, so it's December the 15th. The garden was started on October the 26th by Lauren and Trey. This is the lemon tree. They're going to plant this, I think, in the spring next year. These are the carrots. The carrots came in, some were grown already, but they planted a lot of seed as well. And you can see the carrots, the seeded carrots are just taking and growing really nicely. And then this is the where the trellis is going to be, and that's for the squash to grow up the trellis. And then we've got other things in here. I'm going to get Linz to come and tell you guys what it is, because I don't know what's growing in the garden here. So is that coriander?
Yeah, so that is cilantro or coriander.
Right. And what's this?
Basil or basil.
Mm-hmm.
This is sage.
Osage?
No,
Oh,
just sage.
Okay.
This is oregano
Or oregano?
or oregano, depending
Okay.
on where you live.
Yeah. And what's that?
This is cilantro too.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why it's got the darker leaves. I don't know if I'm overwatering some of these.
Right. And then what's those?
Those are marigolds, so those are to attract the insects to the flowers.
The pollinators?
Yeah, and also
The bees?
thyme. But
Thyme?
I planted the wrong thyme. That's lemon thyme, and I wanted the original. I think it's called French thyme that you get in the shops. But
Oh,
anyway, we'll
okay.
sort that out. This looks like it got eaten by the frost.
Yes, because it was very cold. We had temperatures of
I don't know if
36.
I should start covering this.
Okay.
This is garlic here, and this is a new one that's just sprouted up. And then we've got more garlic here, red onions. Mum planted an avocado in that pot, but it doesn't look like the water's getting to it really in here
Yeah.
on the drip. This was a butternut, but it looks like the frost got it. That's a butternut. This is going to be turmeric, and this is avocado, and the tomato plant, and then just the marigolds
So,
in there.
and that?
That's the rosemary bush that we've had for some time, so that's still doing well. All of these plants on the floor though are not, we think
Butternut squash.
that's butternut, yeah, but I don't think they're getting enough
Water.
enough sun.
Okay.
They're not getting
Zucchini.
any sun.
And slicing cucumber.
Yeah, these ones are not doing well at all.
Yeah, the sun's not reaching them because the winter sun is so far across on that side.
Yeah, so this is what we're gonna learn. Even this one looked like the frost. Yesterday the leaves were really big, so I think this morning's frost. So I don't know if it'll come back or not.
Well, it's that time of year. It's winter, you know. So
We're learning.
okay, so that's the veggie garden. The end result. This clip is just a reminder of what the garden looked like before Lauren and Trey did their amazing job. Thanks, you guys. We hope we get a lot of veggies out of this.